Hello guys, we are back with one of my first videos. So, I have two other videos, but they're not really videos, I would say. Just go to my channel, click on my channel, and also make sure to subscribe and hit that like button and turn on notifications. See that bell? I want you to punch that bell. Punch it. And also punch that subscribe button so you could see more videos. And also later on, I'm going to be having a second channel called Marcool Gaming, which I'm going to upload a lot of Fortnite videos there. Okay, so for this channel, I'm basically just going to be reacting to videos. So we are going to be reacting to some Try Not to Laugh Cats on Dogs videos. So you could do this channel, you could do this challenge with me right now. Just try not to laugh. Okay, let's watch it. I laugh pretty easily, by the way. Okay, let's watch it. And also, make sure to comment down below if you have a cat or a dog. Okay, that wasn't really funny. Just blowing bubble gum. Yeah. He's like, hey, come get the bone. Oh no, you can't. That if I was actually her, I would be laughing, but I'm not gonna laugh a single bit. I also have about 3 lives. 3 lives.
Okay.
Actually, that's pretty cool. No, I laughed, but that wasn't really a laugh. I'm just gonna say that's half. That's like half. That has to hurt the cat's head. Okay, toilet paper under the bed. Under the bed. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's like a slide. It's like a cat slide. Wait, did I just laugh? No, I like jiggled. Okay, that's 1 heart right there. Well, that's half a heart, so it actually is 1 heart. Oh no, people love it. How am I going to survive 10 minutes of this? That scared me, but I didn't laugh. That should be a stunt. Does that work? I see the... Wait, is that me? Oh my gosh, the dog is actually driving it. They're like playing around.
Start taking a walk.
What? How's the camera? No, not the TV, no, not the TV. Let's hear bouncer in the comments.
Fist bump.
Let's hear fist bump in the comments too.
Nope.
Oh. That actually scared. Oh no. No, that just took a heart. How many hearts do I have? Yeah, I have like 1 heart. Learn how to play the piano, dude. Okay. I think they edited that. Okay, this is just weird. Like, what is this? What is that? Okay, a dog just staring at the camera. That's kind of weird.
Where do you live? Aurora. Where does Michelle live?
No. Let's hear RIP for that one dog. RIP in the comments. No. How many more minutes? I only did 4 minutes there. Like, oh my gosh.
I'll give you a treat.
Look at, they just stay still like tree. Look, it's a shark. What? Actually, like a Mario, Super Mario. Squirting water. You're actually squirting water. No way. No, he just did a flip, like with the stick, and he actually caught it. Ooh! Let's hear RIP in the comments. RIP. He's gonna fall off. Bet you. Fall off. He's gonna fall off.
Sit.
And you know why we use cool vines? Cause I am marcool, and cool is basically my name. Put the window up. It's like, the dog's like, what is this? What is this? I like my cool LEDs on my headphones. They are pretty cool. Oh, that just, they edited that. Sorry, headphone users, you might want to put your volume down on this one clip.
Did this mess? Was it you?
That's my bad.
It was you. It was.
Okay, what's gonna happen? Oh, little cat versus big cat. Big cat won. Oh, cat. Oh, that's actually pretty funny. It's like, where are you? You can't even get it. Okay. What is that in the tree, though? Yeah, what is that? The dog said I get it. I don't know what that is. Oh, no. That dog is hungry. What if the dog gets his head stuck in it? Oh, that baby's probably like, ah. Oh, it's like, Okay. The cat. Oh! I haven't been laughing ever since, so I might just win this. Because I got one more life. Oh. It's spinning around, okay? It's like spinning around down the stairs. That's just so weird. Okay, what is this now? What is this? Like, what is this? What is this? Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Like, the dog is just gonna sleep right there. Wait, is it? No way. It's inside the couch. Wait, what is that? What is that? No, what is that? Comment down below if you know what that was. Just replay it. Yeah, let's replay it. Let's replay and see. Get a closer look. Right there. See, what is that? What is that right there? What is that? Like, seriously, what is that? What is that?
Okay, peek.
Wait, what? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Chloe,
I got one life.
did you eat lipstick?
What?
Just completed fixing this fence.
How many more minutes? 8. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
Damn.
Okay, I jumped over the fence. I gotta get the ball. That's actually cool. Oh, that's actually really cool. Wait, is it gonna fall off? Let's hear a good job in the comments for that one dog. That was actually really cool. What? I'm trying to go over. No. I think it's a dog. Fell in the hole? Oh my gosh. No way, the cat is actually right there. It might be stuck.
What's the matter, baby?
Did I say this already? If you comment down below if you have a cat or a dog. If you have both, just put in the comments, I have both. Because I have both. I have a cat and a dog. I have a cat, which I put in my video, in my other video. And I also have a dog, which I haven't put in a video yet. But I probably am going to put it because it's cool. I'm just going to say one spoiler. My dog could do a handshake.
Charlie, did you get it yet? No, still.
Well, that's actually kind of funny. Aww. That's actually cute. Okay. On this one clip, did he put the brightness all the way up? That's actually kind of cool. Okay, that is all for today's video. And
There you go.
make sure to just drop a like and also comment down below
You okay?
if like about the video. Okay. Peace. I out.